Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Buyers List Bonanza, which launches on the 27th of November at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this great new release from Cynthia Benitez and John Newman. And what it essentially does, as the title perhaps suggests, it teaches you how to build a buyer's list. Now, one of the main problems that the majority of people have when they build a list is that the people that they're getting on to that list are not genuine buyers. So they are they're not sufficiently qualified, and so that means that they have come onto your email list for reasons such as, you know, just getting a freebie or other stuff like that, which means that they're not necessarily a good long-term prospect for you on your email list. Now, Buyers List Bonanza teaches you one of the most effective ways to build a buyer's list. It's suitable for complete beginners. You can copy and paste the extensive methods that are taught inside. Now, Cynthia and John Newman are both students of mine. Now, in the case of Cynthia, she is my most successful student ever. I've been working with Cynthia for over a year now, and she has transformed her results to the level where she is now earning 5 figures a month most months, which is exceptional progress. She's done really, really well. John Newman, who is a member of John O. Armstrong's Ministry of Freedom program, has also been working closely with the Elite Tigers group over the last year. And again, he is an Australian up-and-coming marketer who's now achieving great results. So these are not gurus. These are people sort of like yourself that probably a year ago were in the position that you're in right now, you know, looking to make the next step up on the internet marketing ladder, or a complete beginner. And they've shown by a series of methods how you can, you know, in under a year, in both these cases, get to a stage where you're earning 4 and 5 figures a month. And one of the most important ways is through building a good buyer's list. So this is a very important release. It's a release from two people that have actually walked the walk as well as talked the talk. They're actually seeing these results. So it's a proven method. Now, because of this, I don't want people in the Elite Tigers group to miss out on this one. So I've put together another huge bundle of 65 custom bonuses to go with Buyers List Bonanza when you pick it up from my link, which is immediately underneath this video. Now, to get the 65 bonuses, all you have to do is click any of these green buttons before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. I don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses which are exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Buyers List Bonanza, because you can always come back to this YouTube page when you realize that my bonuses are particularly congruent and unavailable anywhere else. So we will come and have a look at those in just a moment, but first let's have a quick look at the sales page. The most proven easy buttons online profit. Even total beginners are making great money with this copy and paste your way to multiple passive income streams. Having a profitable buyers list that pays you over and over is now easier than ever. Unique method that's working right now, 100% beginner friendly, multiple income streams built in. Includes our secret resource for free sales on autopilot. That's quite a cool one actually. Copy and paste, easy for fast results. We'll have a look inside the members area at Buyers List Bonanza. There it is. We'll also have a look at the upsells. Front end price for this is $12.95. All right, so let's first deal with these bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm making now will be in there. What's Buyers List Bonanza all about? Well, we've just gone through that. And there's also, it's not actually a demo video, it's a sales video that you can watch there from Cynthia and John. All right, so what am I going to throw in? Well, I'm going to show you another way that you can build a buyer's list. This is completely different to the method that's taught inside this course, but it will show you another great way that you can ensure proven buyers are going onto your list, and that you're not wasting a lot of your affiliate marketing efforts. Because if you don't actually use this particular hack, it means that a lot of your efforts are actually going to be for someone else's benefit. Now, all will be explained when you go into this bonus. I'm also going to give you a very valuable bonus, which is 6 super solos that you can send to 16,000 members across my 25 sites in the Make Money online niche. So I've got 25 sites, and as I said, they've got a total of 16,000 members. You're going to be able to send them a solo ad, which is essentially an email ad, not just once but 6 times. So a really valuable bonus. Next, I'm going to throw it in this huge bundle of 35 different courses. Animal Kingdom Anarchy is like a collection of 18 of my previous courses and 17 courses from other top marketers. So it's a huge bundle of 35 bonuses. This is way more than most other marketers will be giving for their entire bonus collection, but this is just one of my bonuses. So there's 35 bonuses in there for you. Next, I'm going to give you a great course from John O. Armstrong called From Zero to $100 in 24 hours. This is a really cool course. Basically, some of John O's affiliate marketing friends took away all of his resources, his laptop, his buyers list, everything else, his mobile phone, and told him that he had to make $100 in 24 hours. And you can find out whether he did it. Spoiler alert, he did. So you can see how he did it. Next bonus, 10 steps to becoming a life coach. Great way to develop an additional income stream. Bit of a left field one this, but I think you'll like it. 10 websites to earn $100 a day on. These were methods actually from last year, but they all work really well still. $100 a day using free Facebook traffic. Another great bonus. I'm going to rattle through a few of these, or we'll be here all day. How to get 100,000 visitors in 1 hour if you're in need of a rapid traffic injection. 10x commissions, how to get 10k a month in your spare time. Good course from Brendan Mace. 2 traffic generation super hacks. Again, more ways to get free traffic. The 3 best affiliate funnels from last year. Again, working just as effectively in 2020. 37 list building quick tips, the most profitable opt-in list building secrets uncovered and revealed. 4 ways to make money on Amazon, 4 completely different standalone income generating methods that you can use. 45 viral video super hacks, how to get your videos to go super viral by using clever hacks. 5 killer lead magnets that you can use right now to get new sign-ups. 5 steps to becoming a millionaire. This was a great training from Grant Cardone. 5 super tips for ranking on YouTube. How to get your YouTube videos appearing where you want them to be, in the #1 spot. 5 ways to get free stuff online. Now, I'm not just talking about rubbish PLR here. I'm talking about getting people to send you great stuff like gadgets and gizmos. 7 days to Instagram success. If you've never had success on Instagram before, this is the complete course. 1 hour's training a day for 7 days, after which you'll be an Instagram expert. 7 steps to a successful blog. If you're not blogging, you should be. It's still a great way to make money, of which more in a minute. 7 steps to ClickBank success, how to earn commissions on that platform. 7 things organised people do. Time to get really organised online, folks. 7 top SMS marketing super tips, a really effective way to market with extremely high conversions. 7 ways to become a video influencer. This is a very, very lucrative way to make money with your knowledge on virtually any subject. Just watch this and you'll see what I mean. An 8-point plan to monetize your blog. We already have given you a bonus on how to build a successful blog. You'll then want to know how to monetize it. Well, that's what this bonus does. 8 top high-ticket programs. Teaches you how to stop earning $5 and $10 commissions and instead earn $500 and $1,000 commissions. A is for affiliates. Learn the ABCs of affiliate marketing. Next bonus is Article Site Builder, how to build targeted article-based content websites in minutes. Best ever bots training shows you how to make money using many chat bots. And a bonus page builder shows you how to build bonus pages like this one completely free without having to pay for an external program to do it. So I hope you can see, folks, a lot of very, very congruent bonuses there that, as I said, you will not be able to get anywhere else. The two most valuable are probably my 6 super solos, which, you know, I normally sell as an upsell, and this massive bundle of 35 additional products. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. Not going to spend too much time on it. Bit of income proof here from Cynthia and John. As you can see, lots of stuff on here, which I'm not going to, as I said, you can read through all this yourself, folks, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. I do want to just bring you to their vendor bonuses. Bonus number 1, list me, how to build a quality email list fast and cheap. Bonus number 2, OLSP traffic domination group, shows you how to earn commissions daily. Bonus 3, 0-hour work days. Bonus 4, the 10k email manifesto. And bonus 5, the 7 deadly sins of email marketing. So another 5 bonuses there, taking the total number of bonuses that you'll get to 70 if you buy from my link. Quick look at the members area. So what you've got here is an introduction. Let me just go back to this section here. An introduction from John Newman and then a welcome from Cynthia. You can join Cynthia's YouTube channel. There's actually a fast action bonus that you're going to get from John by clicking on this button here, and you can sign up to an advanced training call with a super affiliate. There's actually an orientation video before we get to the overview as well, which is quite a good thing, which just sort of walks you through the site really and explains what you're going to be doing. And then we'll be getting on to the overview of the method here, which will be the walkthrough. And then you've got all the different steps in getting everything set up. Everything is super simple walkthrough, you know, really easy to do. Then we've got case studies down here, 2 case studies. Conclusion and the next step. All your bonuses will be delivered down here, and you've also got some unannounced bonuses. You've got some resources here, and if you have got any of the upgrades or missed any of them, then they are available there. So it's a really comprehensive course, folks. Everything's done for you, you know, in terms of, you know, how to get set up. Emails are written for you. Every single step that you need to take is covered in this method. So a really nice, compact and well-taught course. In terms of the front-end pricing, it's $12.95. As I said, the first upsell is the pro version. It's advanced training where John and Cynthia are going to show you everything that's worked for them since they started online. In John's case in 2014, I think Cynthia was a bit after that. It includes free and paid traffic strategies and insider secrets to the affiliate marketing game with additional case studies, and that's $47. Buyers List Bonanza done for you. This will give you done for you bonus pages every week for 365 days. So a whole year, in other words. So that is $67. If you like done for you campaigns, that is a great way to make money without having to make review videos or do anything yourself. Steal our traffic. You can put your pixel on Cynthia and John's sales pages for $197 and tap into tens of thousands of proven buyers. Triple reseller rights, upsell number 4, $67. You'll be able to get 100% commissions on the entire sales funnel, not just of Buyers List Bonanza, but also previous products, the Collector and 10x Commissions Machine. Great deal. And Buyers Bonanza coaching, $197. A 1-hour coaching strategy session with John, I think it is, and ongoing Facebook group support. So again, great price for coaching. So all of that funnel, you know, if you can afford it, I'd pretty much recommend. What stands out? Well, it's always worth picking up the pro version. And if you like to get weekly campaigns sent to you, then that's a pretty good deal as well. So that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick this up, get this huge bundle of bonuses, all you have to do is click any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. When the cart opens at 9 AM Eastern time, by the way, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. All you have to do is click on this button here. That will take you through to the receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button, excuse my bald head there, the green button to access Buyers List Bonanza, the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is pretty much it for this one. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 star review because it's very useful. for both beginners and intermediate level marketers. And with that said, all that remains for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath and also click on the bell icon, and you'll be informed every time I bring out a new recording. And until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Buyer's List Bonanza.